Hello everyone, we're at the Apryse Ghent office today. Why don't you follow me and I'll show you around. Located on the 4th floor of the AA Tower in the beautiful city of Ghent, our Belgian office offers tons of open concept workspaces, packed with tons of natural light and communal areas. Let's kick off with the boardrooms. In this location, we have a few different boardroom options. One primary room being used for hosting clients and larger team meetings, as well as 3 smaller rooms. Great for one-on-one collaboration or just finding a quiet place to grind out some tasks. Just down the hall from the office, you'll find a shared lunchroom, an open and approachable area great for a change of scenery, along with unlimited complimentary coffee. A quick walk downstairs brings you to the on-site restaurant. With a variety of rotating hot and cold food options as well as drinks, this conveniently located amenity is a great spot to fuel up for the day. Now let's head back upstairs. So here's probably the coziest corner in the office. The space offers an amazing area for people to work, enjoy lunch, or just relax. With a fully stocked fridge and snack area, this is definitely a staff favorite. Well, that's it for our Ghent location. Thanks for visiting, and we'll see you in the next one.